Yeah?
I got something heavy.
I do too.
Oh.
Alright, so I found something.
I can't pick mine up.
I don't have any idea what this is. Some kind of bracket. Throw it in the bucket and go help Travis. I'm on my way. Pulled up some old chunks of rusty metal too. See that there? Got a little nail. Dink. Oh, in a tack, like a thumbtack. Y'all see that? A little thumbtack looking thing right there. A nail. And something here. This might be a scrap. Or a razor blade. It actually might be a razor blade. It looks just like one. Cool, that's a weird little combination of 3 finds there. Okay, it's a part.
Huh?
It's some kind of tool. Is this a spark plug?
What is it?
I think it's a spark plug.
Spark plug.
I'm not kidding.
Alright.
I have a bag full of them.
A bag full of them?
Yeah. Interesting. Travis?
Yeah.
I'm stuck.
Stuck?
Yeah. Yep. Hold on. It's so heavy. Help. Going too fast. Alright. Big pipe.
Yeah, that's a... Oh, good. That's a big old pipe, bud.
Dude, I latched onto this thing and it slammed onto my magnet.
That did. Nice pipe, Jordan.
Thanks.
What a quality pipe that is.
Indeed. I don't know where to put it.
You put it in my hatch.
I don't want to sink you. Come here, let me put my pipe in your hatch.
Why can't I get over to you? I noticed that when we came to here a second ago, it was like there's a bunch of eddies right here or something. Also, you're like drifting backwards.
Okay, that works.
Pipe in my hat.
Yeah. nice. Some kind of this metal bar here. I don't know. Alright guys, we just got back in from the water. Hauled our kayaks up here off the beach. I'm just going to show you guys a quick overview of everything we found. Seems like a bunch of junk, but that's usually the case.
Hey, the best find today though is probably these wire cutters. So that's pretty cool. They're actually still moving, so I think they're still movable. They actually don't look to be in too bad a shape, so it's a pretty cool find.
Yeah, we'll get those cleaned up, see if they work.
Yeah. Pretty sure they do though.
Alright, so with a bunch of other just scrap metal here. That is a little piece of a saw, little hand saw.
Yeah, it's a jigsaw.
And then this giant pipe I pulled up. No clue what it's to or what it can be used for, but it was heavy. Yeah.
I think this is part of a boat trailer, I believe. I found it actually right there on the boat ramp.
Yeah, it looks like
So, pretty sure this is actually one of the crossbars. So that's pretty cool. But yeah.
But for my find, so I found the pipe. Also pulled in this little bracket looking thing. Still not sure what that is. But this piece looks like some sort of a...
Oh, that's like a pin that goes in something.
Yeah.
Oh, cool. That's cool fun.
Found a bag, but the bag was metal, and what's in it is 3 or 4 of these, which I think are spark plugs.
Yeah, those are spark plugs.
So that somebody dropped those in the water, probably brand new out of this bag. And I pulled those up. Found this little washer-looking cap here. A couple screws, nails, what could be a razor blade, we're not sure. Thumbtack. Yeah.
Nice.
Found a lot of stuff today.
Yeah, we did.